Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see now how we can set up all the ad group details, bidding set strategies, which we're going to set up at the ad group level in the Pinterest ad campaign. So this is what we had done in the last video where we had given all the details for the campaign. And now we can move forward to the next part, which is the ad group level. So the first is we can start giving the ad group name. And then there is the targeting strategy. So targeting strategy is basically where you have to choose what kind of users do you want to target, whether they are going to be people who you want to reconnect with, people who have interacted with your brand and you want to follow them. Do you want to look for new customers or you choose your own? So here you decide what type of targeting strategy you want to set up, and based on which then you can do your targetings as well. So let's say I'm selecting new customers, which I want, and then I will get all the targeting options. We'll talk about that as well. And then comes the budget part. So this is where the budget is being used. Since this is going to be a campaign budget optimization, budgets are set at the campaign level. So we can see the campaign budget here. And then you can also decide the optimization strategy and the delivery. So frequency, you can ad group frequency, you can set over here, which can be weekly or monthly. So which you can do also. And in addition to that, you can also do monthly frequency capping. So this is where you want how many times your ads to appear to the users, that you can also set. So let's say I want to show my ads at least 20 times. Okay. Okay. So here we can give the end date as well. Apart from this, you will be able to set the bidding. So this is where we're going to set the bidding type. So there are two options which Pinterest gives us, which is going to be performance plus bidding, which is an automated bidding strategy, which optimizes the bidding to help you get the most awareness at the lowest cost. Okay, so the automated bidding strategy will work in such a manner that will try to get as many impressions as possible, trying to keep the bid as minimum as possible. The other option is custom, where you can set a target CPM rate. So how much, so based on whatever CPM rate you give over here, let's say we're giving a CPM rate of 10, which basically means that this is what you want to pay for every 1,000 impressions. Okay. So this is the target which we have set now, based on which now the campaign will run. So this is how, this is the manual option, custom, and this is the automated option, which you get out here to select from. So these are the details which you will have to set up at the ad group level. And as you can see, once you move forward, now we are coming to the ad level. I hope this makes sense so far. Thank you so much for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.